Hi there and welcome back to another NJS instructional video. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the carburetor in this Stihl 025 chainsaw. First we'll remove the cover plate. Then we'll remove the air filter. Next we'll disengage the choke lever and throttle lever mechanisms. Then we'll remove the main fuel line. It's a good idea to drain the fuel prior to doing this. Now the next step is to undo these 8mm hex nuts, and then that'll allow us to slide out the carburetor. And just push the fuel hose back, and then the carburetor will slide out like that. So now we're going to install our new carburetor, and very similar to how we removed the old one, we'll put the new one back in position, and we'll also probably have to tune it afterwards as well. So this is our choke valve, and that's our throttle valve there. Now also make sure your gasket's in good condition. This one is a little bit torn around where the bolt holes are, but for our purposes it'll still function. But if you can, replace it at the same time. Then we simply reconnect our main fuel line. And reinstall our choke and throttle lever. And then just make sure that both the choke and throttle lever are functioning as they should. Now we'll reconnect our air filter. Put our cover plate back on. So there you have it, that's how we replace the carburetor in this Stihl 025 chainsaw. I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell notification icon. Thanks for watching.